kindergarten friends, you need a couple things in order to do this lesson with me today at home. So make sure you've got your whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and eraser, and your finger tracing cards for the letter W. You need both the uppercase and the lowercase, okay? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and we are gonna start our letter lesson with our ABC chart. But today, when we read it, we're gonna read this chart backwards. Can you help me? Okay, I'm gonna point and say it. I need you to be reading it at home with me. Z, Z, zebra. Y, yo-yo. X, X-ray. W, watch. V, vest. U, umbrella. T, tiger. S, sun. R, rabbit. Q, queen. P, pumpkin. O, ostrich. N, nest. M, magnet. L, leaf. K, kite. J, jump rope. I, igloo. H, house. G, goat. F, fish. E, elephant. D, dog. C, cat. B, ball. A, apple. Very good. Wasn't that fun to read it backwards? Okay, we're going to start with our letter for today, and this letter is the letter W. Can you say that? W. Okay, help me read the card. W, watch. Good, we're going to read it again, but this time faster. Ready? W, watch. Okay, now there's a watch on our W card. Why do you think they put a watch on our W card? It's because it starts with a W, right? Listen, watch. The letter W makes the sound W, like you hear at the beginning of watch. Can you think of any other words that start the same as watch? Good. Some of the words you could have thought of would be something like walk or will or whale. There are so many words that start with the w sound. Okay, we are going to go ahead and get started writing. Oh, there's another W word, right. We're going to go ahead and get started writing our letter W. Let's do our uppercase first. So get your uppercase W. Okay, when we write the W, we always start at the top, right? We're going to go top to bottom, left to right. And this has got a bunch of slant lines. Do you see the slant lines? How they don't go straight up or down. They have to slant. Okay, just like our X. We practiced those yesterday. All right, so you're going to slant down and then slant up, slant down, slant up. That is how you do your uppercase W. Are you ready? Put your finger where we're going to begin. Trace it with your finger and say the letter name. W. Okay, put your finger back where you begin. We're going to do that again. Ready? W. Good. Okay, now let's just write it right here on our paper, well, on our whiteboard with our finger. It's going to be invisible. Ready? W. Good. Now you get to pick where you want to write it. Maybe you're going to write it in the air. Maybe you're going to write it on your other hand. Maybe your leg. Ready? Pick somewhere. Write the letter. W. Very good. Okay, now get your marker because we are going to practice writing the letter W on our whiteboards now. All right? I'm going to move this up here so I can see what it looks like. Remember, when you write, you're going to start at the top. And these are slant lines, so we're going to slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up to make our W. And we're going to practice writing it 3 times today. 3 times. Each time you write it, make sure you say the letter name, which is W, right? Okay, let's go ahead 3 times. W. W. Do you notice how I never lift my marker when I write this? I keep my marker on the board the whole time. I don't have to lift it up. It makes it quicker to write W. Okay, finish up your 3 W's and then erase your board really quick. And you can put your marker down once you've got that done, your marker and eraser. Now you just need your finger tracing cards. Get both of those back in front of you. Okay, I've got both my cards. We just did the uppercase W, didn't we? Well, this is our lowercase w. What do you notice about those? They look the same, don't they? They sure do. Okay, which one's a bigger letter? The uppercase, which means that the lowercase is smaller, right? Now, if you can write the uppercase, do you think you can write the lowercase? You are correct. If you can write the uppercase, you can absolutely write the lowercase. It's the same exact strokes. So let's look at our lowercase w. You're going to start in the same place you did with your uppercase. Okay, and we're going to slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. See how I never have to pick up my finger? Okay, let's go ahead and trace this with our fingers. Say the letter when you do. Ready? W. Good. Do it again. W. Great job. Okay, write it in the air this time. W. Good. Write it on your hand. W. Good. This time I'm going to write it on my leg. W. Awesome job, boys and girls. Okay, so move that aside. You can look at it, but you don't want to write on it. Get your marker. Now, we wrote our uppercase W already. Now we're going to write the lowercase, and if you can write the upper, you can write the lower. Are we going to have straight lines up and down or slant lines? You're right, we're going to have slant lines. They're going to look like this. You're going to slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. Okay? We're going to write 3 lowercase w's, and every time you write it, make sure you say the letter name. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. W. 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 Okay, do you have 3? If not, finish up your 3 W's. When you get those done, get your eraser. You can erase your board super quick. Are you ready? Okay, and since we're done writing, make sure you take your lid and put it back on your marker and close it so it doesn't dry up. And friends, we are all done with our letter W for today. Tomorrow, I'm going to read you guys a W book. Have a great day. Bye.